Greetings, Mzantsi. Sisebhaye Mabozana, bring you the best in local entertainment. Namhlanje ndiniphathele inkqubo yozothando. Sise Nelson Mandela University apho wrvs abalapha bathe kum nonke khasincede mani. Chomi zethu sikho right, chomi zethu sishumanekile. Ndathi ubani not ndikhona. Ela nimkhaphe ke sihambe siyopheka. Noba sipheke ntomi as long as izokudwa. Nonke Mabizela lo, and this is Up My Roomza. Masambeni.
Again, this is Ash.
Hi.
It's another one of the best friends.
Yeah, hey, bestie. All right. Ash, no, Sisi, Lona, ni funum donjani for Roomza wena.
Someone that is independent. Someone that can deal with uvuvu because uvuvu is a lot.
And also someone who's diverse. Like not just someone that's focused on one discipline.
Okay.
Someone who can tap into different things.
Yeah.
Detail guys. Can you kakele uvuvu? Hello. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, bono vuvu. Don't judge. All right. Hello vuvu. As ungenile apha ndibona very beautiful woman. Yazibuza ke ukubana ufuna njani umuntu nje.
I want someone who is hardworking, spontaneous, adventurous, loves God, educated, but mindset of
All right.
I like tall.
You like tall?
Because I'm obviously a tall person already.
Yeah.
So I need to be able to wear heels and not feel like ish damn.
Yeah.
Intimidate town than a band. Think I come back okay no. All our heights. You know?
I hear you get Vuvu, stelu pume. Moloburi. So, Kini Moloburi. So tell me, Bana, what are you looking for as a person?
I don't want to make it sound cliche, but I'm here to find my significant other.
The one.
Melele abe wash, abe smart.
Yeah, self-love is very important.
Okay.
And if I'm to engage in a relationship with a person, one of the things I'm obviously gonna want is honesty.
Okay. Yeah.
Umengena engqondo again umfasi.
Okay.
Welcome to our house, guys. So we are looking for the best partner for our friend.
Yeah.
Right? So, how do you guys feel, first of all?
Happy.
We're excited. I'm excited personally.
You excited?
Personally, I'm happy. I'm at ease. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you guys here?
Obviously, I've been around, and I'm just looking for that person for myself. You know? So yeah, I'm out of the streets right now. I just want to be streamlined with that perfect person for myself. Yeah.
Personally, I'm a Zulu man, so obviously I want somebody who complements my Zuluness. In a way, I'm not really your traditionalist type of Zulu man, but I feel like this is the opportunity for me to get somebody who will understand me.
I also feel like I'm at a point where I'm ready to commit and be in a relationship.
Okay. So what do you guys do?
I play sports, and I help my dad with the business.
Okay, I don't play sports, but I'm a part-time farmer. So with lobolas, you sorted because I'm. So
Yeah, I'm a psychology student and I do promo gigs in the spare time.
Okay.
Interesting.
You guys do know how to play this game, right?
We're hoping. I'm not really. I'm a clumsy person. So yeah.
Don't be clumsy.
say and a potential partner in the next, let me say 3 years. What is it?
In 3 years, I'm planning to be having my own place, obviously outside Port Elizabeth, wherever that might be, but at least at a big city.
So I see myself as a psychologist, almost buying a house, because I just want to move out and be independent.
I like you.
I can tell you what I do. I mean, this is my life right now. Yeah. Right now, I'm starting, obviously, I'm doing logistics. Same time, I'm playing rugby for NMU. And thirdly, I help my dad out. So now and then when I get a chance, I work for him. So I do that, and I also sell clothing.
Oh.
So yeah.
You are still a student.
Yes, I'm doing my second year.
Second year in?
Psychology.
Interesting.
Right. Can you guys tell me, Gaba, Fana by 3, did you guys see anyone that you think would be the potential?
I think they were all very interesting, but I think from now personally, from the beginning, there were 2 that really stood out.
Okay.
And from those 2, I think it was easy for us to choose
Okay.
the other one.
Need base on what decision?
Mainly, we based most of it on what Vuvu wanted in a man and what
Okay.
we understood her to want in a man.
Okay.
We only deviated maybe
Yeah.
on one thing, and that's just age.
Tell me, what is Indonesian about this man that captured Nina?
It was just his energy. I think he was very calming.
Bani, the mainstream man and him kid layer between the 3. Can it Tony Hong Bang?
Nanku.
You lying.
He's the one.
Nee.
Yo. The chosen one.
Yo. I'm hoping uvuvu uzamthanda usisi akhethiweyo ke zitshomi zakhe. Masambi.
Darling. Yes. So that was guys. But no, like. How are you? Yes, of course. Hello.
What's your name?
I am Google. How are you? Do you mind taking your jacket? It like literally, like you're wearing a black jacket. I'm sure my friends told you how I am.
Judging from what you told,
Calm down. Not surgery, darling. Calm down. Not surgery. It's just meeting. It's just banter.
but yeah, I was excited.
Okay. At least you had my friends to tell you what's up. I didn't have any of your people.
Did they not mention anything?
Nothing. Nada. Nothing.
No way.
No, I promise you. I promise you. Like, nothing. Wait, okay, what's your preference when it comes to a girl ordering food on the first date? Do you want her to order a salad or like a chicken schnitzel, a wrap? Chicken schnitzel. So that's what you prefer. Yeah. Would you ever order for a girl?
Yeah.
No, not because she can't order or she's indecisive or she's in the bathroom, but because you want to.
Yeah, I would.
Something for her on the menu.
Like,
and then what if she doesn't like it? On the first date? On the first date?
so now you tell me, baby, I can't afford this apartment. And you tell me about.
No,
I'm asking you.
No,
I'm asking you.
you should not live beyond your means in the first place.
No, I mean like at that very moment.
So from AMG to Toyota, is that what you're telling me?
Must I just go and drive to Toyota? Or must I
Why would you?
and make my way back?
No, but you're...
I've got a question.
That's the mentality of black people. You're son of your no. Because you're saying now, if we're living the glamorous life and doing all these great things and living the best life, a mansion and everything. Now all of a sudden you come to me after a business meeting and say, listen, unfortunately, we cannot live this life anymore. How did you miss that step? How did you come up? How? Like how? How are you going to break it down to me?
Whoa. Tell get up. You don't like.
Let me believe otherwise. No, you can. It's not about fun, huh? You cannot tell me. You can bloody take me to bloody McDonald's or Salt or whatever.
Can't defend.
I mean, like, if I'm telling you about a man that doesn't grab and I'm taking you out. Appreciate what I'm doing for you. It's like, dude, Pamela, we are creating moments. What we have is not depending on the budget we have right now. If you're gonna judge me of telling you the truth,
I'm not judging you. I just feel like it is so weird to tell a girl on the first date, ba nansi budget and nayo.
Exactly as he says.
But awufuni umuntu umqolobodi. Awufuni umuntu ozomazi from the first date bana umuntu onjani.
Yes.
Well then he's telling you.
No.
Ba ungumuntu onjani.
No, Chami, no.
Thini.
Makanti banga on the first date, please.
Oh, okay. Sifika nini kwe-bill singekathini. Kanixelele ba sizawuphinda nasidibane na ukuze kubekho some bill settlements.
Well, primarily to what I've heard from her, she sounds decent, and I'm intrigued with that. You know, like beyond the bill.
Apart from the bill.
Apart from the bill. Apart from the bill.
If Flag Yako was the bill.
But it's her baby right now.
Yeah.
It's her baby.
So what you're saying is up to her, but needs out pinda nitibane or not.
Yeah.
Sisa, come here, thing. Miss Thing.
Darling.
Tell us. Indibano, yes, Bill, is it happening? Or kanye a bill situation has put you off?
Following on social media, I wouldn't mind doing that.
Yeah.
Numbers a bit too deep for me. I just met him. What if he's a serial killer? But in Dibano, maybe a walk on the beach, maybe?
Yeah.
Not something intimate or anything like that.
That sounds very promising. That sounds very
maybe.
promising. This is Mzantsi, nabo uvuvu no Ali. I think ikhona into ezakwenzeka noba yintoni na. Khona into ezakwenzeka. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Hook up my Roomza. Bye yin. Bye you guys.
Interesting. Shem is he's a nice guy. I just don't think it's for me. You can tell that he's young. I want a man. I don't think he's up to a thing, that part. You know.
She's not my ideal person. You know, like everything that I was saying to her was for that moment. You know, if that's the girl that you are and you show me by I'd rather take my dad's contact. I go play as a choma.